Hello guys, so let's talk about the recent trade I took on most of the pairs I trade, as you can see them here. So let's break it down. That was from last week actually. So let's go down to my Telegram journal. So this is where I journal my trades before and after. And so this was Monday, as you can see. This was a trade I took on 88. Like a recap, this was on Sunday. So on Monday, I was taking out, which was on the minute time frame. So is it on the 15-minute or 30-minute time frame? So let me just come here. So I think it's from this Thursday. So this from this is the daily. I just want to mark it at Monday. This Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So this Monday count, it was bullish actually. So this Monday here. So we go down to the 30 minutes and check what happened. Okay, it's just bullish. I see the bullish model. We also said go down to the 1 hour so that I can easily find it. So on the 1 hour, this I think I marked. I used something to indicate it. Thursday first. So this was Monday. This was ETH. Monday end for. So this is a Monday end on. So these are the spots I took this trade from. So actually what was I seeing and that made me to took that trade? We'll go down to the 45 minutes. So okay, and let's on Telegram. So now this is a breakout block. Then I saw liquidity on it. There was liquidity here then. So this was okay, the time frame is not showing. Like the 15-minute of hours, I don't know. But there's a reason I took that trade. Yes, this is. So this is the other block here. This is a breakout block actually. So instead of using the liquidity wick, I decided to use the other block, like the body of the candle, and I was taking out like even though if that could have used everything, like all the whole, like I mark out the whole other block, I wouldn't have been taken out. So this was actually how the trade went. So this is something you can do. It's easy. This is everything. So we saw price do something like this on a bearish move. Price like this. Price broke this. So this is another block for a continuation actually, but price broke it out. Gave us a retracement a little bit, and price went up. So price is start coming down and price. So this is a feed order block that you can use. So price came down to it and price moved on. So you see, so this is basically what just happened, and I was just targeting the next high. Like the next high, I could have taken an early profit. I was just trying to focus on the next high. But actually, see, I was still taking out. So that is basically what happened that Monday. So I'll make this one as quick as possible. So that is it. Then let's just focus on the one I took TP on. The one I took I saw on is gone. So this GPP USD. So this was BTC. So this was BTC. I took this trade on Monday also BTC. So let me just go down to BTC. This was Tuesday. So BTC, it was a double entry I took on. So this was it when I used this particular trade here, breaker block here, and so on the 15 minutes. Once you go down to the 15 minutes, I'll show you the tipping. So once you go down to the 15 minutes, actually it was on the 15 minutes, I got this buy. I was targeting the next high, and I think we got TP on that double trade. And as you can see, let me show you something. Just want to be fast about this because of time. If you're uploading long videos, it's not fair. So actually, I saw this, and this is also another block here. Price created another block, give us this pullback here. As you can see it here. Already we are bullish. Already there's a sweep, there's a sweep of liquidity down there. Then what happened? The hard price break this with a full body candle. Like we still had a reverse here before price came up here. And what did price do? Price came into this other block. Already they sweep to confirm this swing high here. So what did price do? We moved up before price starts selling down. So already I got another entry here. I can either use this other block like this, worked, and I can also mark this as my liquidity here. This is a liquidity, you see. Then you placed your entry here like this, and you target this next high. You see, 1 to reach 5, trying to reach 5. I go on to reach 10 on that trade, and this is it here. This was the trade, and this was not BTC. Where is it? So this was it. This was the re-entry when price triggered it, as you can see. The way I explained it here. So that was what basically happened. This is it. This is when I closed it here. This was the final result, and as you can see it. So that's basically how I took that trade on BTC. So guys, actually that is it, and I took a buy on gold. But gold was not happy with me for the rest of almost how many weeks. I don't know what I did, but it was so. And guys, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be dropping more video guide and all basically for free. And also it will help you, actually. It will help because I'm in my learning phase and I'm just trying to put things out. Put most of my trades out. So this network is bad, this was good. I took this trade on the 15 minute or so. It was on Tuesday. See, it was on Tuesday. Okay. This was after that Tuesday. You won't believe what happened here. This was Tuesday. Before we had this downward, let me just use the 30 minutes. So this is what price did here. Actually, I was having a sort of but I just have to close because of the buy. So this was what happened here. Let's go down to the 15 minutes. I'm not sure this is Tuesday. This is Tuesday actually. So this was Tuesday, and I was already seeing some confirmation on this trade. And this was a sweep actually. Price came down, and already this is a sweep, and already price broke this, and already I have to use like one of my line to here. I have to put my line to where price swept from. So I just have to use the body of the candle instead of the wick, and as you can see it here, it states it. Let's use the body of the candle. Then there was a break here actually. Well, price was like ranging at this particular where my line to is. Price was ranging. So I was just closing, opening position because I was like price brought up to this level, came down, price brought up, like price was just doing up and down, but like my position was still where it is because my SL was right below this low here, and I was targeting maybe the next level, which is the next other block around there. Like it's around the other line also, and this is where I just placed it. And the next thing, price moved, price came down again. Like I want to take up. Before I know, news came out. So it was so fast. So it was a short trade. Actually, I could have just target this next high, want to reach 4.3, and I'm good to go. So that is basically all about what happened on gold. And so now let me just give you a hint about how BTC will move this week. Okay, so before I start my analysis, we're in a new week. I'm going to start from the weekly and where price is rejecting from and where price is likely to go to. And also, all I want to see is there must be a sweep of liquidity in any of my trade. There must be a sweep of liquidity to confirm like how to swing buy or a swing sell. So that is it. Let's go down to the daily. So this is the weekly actually. On the daily you can see how we moved up. So my next target now will be on this open close level here, because this is another level price can likely reject from, because price already broke all these lows and rejected from it and buy. Like this particular low, price already rejected from it, and this daily low, price rejected from it. So basically that's what just checking. So now what can you see? We can see like how price is trying to go into this, like maybe we'll have 66755 on this, and already there's a break here. There's a break. Price already break this. This is like a daily break. So we'll go down to the 4 hours. I don't know, we're in 13, maybe on the 15-minute I'll stop, then we'll continue next. So on the 4 hours you can see, because on the daily we already know where price is likely, like where price can likely reject from or move up to. So this is where I'm expecting price to come to. Then we expect some rejection, like just a short trade. Let me just say I expect price to reject from this place maybe into this level here, or we have more sales, or perhaps something like this, then we have a move up. Just depends on what I see. So I'll just go down to the 1 hour so that I'm going to likely find where I'm going to trade from. So on the 1 hour now is this like a breakout block. Let me just say it like that. This is a breakout block from on the 1 hour, and this is our liquidity here. So this is our liquidity. I'll post this on my X. Like, this is our liquidity here, and once you go down to the 15 minutes or 5 minutes, you're going to see it clearly, like where price is likely going to reject from. So that's my 15 minutes, but you can either use the 45 minutes or the 30 minutes. But I don't know what's happening these days. Price action has been shitty these few days. So you just have to be careful while trading, and you just have to be careful. And I could have used this, but it's already been used. Could have used this, but it's already been used, so it's no more useful again. So now let's just focus on this line, because that's from a higher time frame. So because you can like have some rejection from there, then we can likely buy from this particular level here. Can likely buy from this particular level here. Maybe just put your stop loss right below this low. Then maybe you target this next high, or you target this one here, where you can easily have some rejection from. So that's the 1:9 on this trade. So you can see it. That's likely 1:9. So that's it from here. So we are going down to the 45 minutes. On the 1 hour, because everything was gotten from the 1 hour. So guys, so one thing about me is that I just trade what I see, and I like trading BTC. But you see this breakout block, I've been trying to avoid it. What I just want to see on my trade is, I just want to see a sweep of liquidity. I just want to see a sweep of liquidity and a break. Then I expect price to like give me something like this before I can be able to buy from this particular level up to my next level. So that's what I want to see. So instead of like trading something like this, which is I just want to see price move from like this, price goes up, give us a pullback, and price come to this breakout block that's supposed to serve as another block for a sell continuation, and price tap into it and move. But what did price usually do these days? Price won't just tap into it though. Price will just sell, like just take you out once. That's what we have been experiencing for the past few days. But most of these trades I took like a few months back all played out. So that's why I'm not giving up on it. I'm still trying my best, because all these are like imbalanced to me, and some people call it fair value gap also. So all these like are imbalanced to me. So maybe price can come into it, and we'll see something different. So guys, that is it for now. So do well to subscribe and make sure you follow me up, and let's hit this week, and don't be in a hurry to trade. Just be positive about what you're doing, and you see